In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could see and replay videos that you've watched here on Facebook. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it if at any point that this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there, but begin by opening up the Facebook app and tap the menu icon down in the top right or bottom right corner depending on your device, and from here scroll down until you see the settings and privacy option right here, where you're going to want to go ahead and select settings or just hit the gear icon up in the very top. But essentially from here, go ahead and scroll down until you see the activity log on here. You may have to scroll down a little bit in order to actually see this, but open up that activity log and then go ahead and select your Facebook activity, which is going to bring you to a page that looks like this. Select manage post, and then once this page does load for you, go ahead and select filters. Hit categories, and you're going to want to filter it to videos that you've watched, and here you're going to see all of your video watch history. If you want to delete a specific video, tap the three dots next to it and press delete. If you want to clear everything, tap clear video watch history up at the very top. Just keep in mind you cannot replay videos in here. Tapping them won't open anything. But if you want to replay videos, back out and go to the Reels section and hit this little search bar up in the very top. And you're going to see a Reels that you've watched icon right here. Select that, and this is going to show you every single Reel that you've ever watched. If you want to rewatch them, simply go ahead and just open them again, and you'll be able to watch them again. Just keep in mind you can't delete them from this section. You'd have to use that other section instead if that's what you're trying to do. But that is it. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.